Hello and welcome to those quick dish soul food. Today on the menu is ham steak, home fried potatoes with green onions and garlic, and cherry tomato drizzle with a wine vinaigrette. So here are my seasonings behind, and let's get started. Thank you for coming. Got my pan getting hot, and I've sliced up all of my ingredients: chopped onions, green onions, fresh garlic, red pepper, and the potato. So we're gonna fry it and season it, those fried potatoes. Then we're gonna move to the ham. A little sea salt. The blackened. Onion powder. Old Bay. And let it cook. I'm going to add my onions to the side. And the garlic will be last. The garlic burns easily. And let the potatoes fry. So this is how our potatoes are looking now. Doesn't take long. Easy, breezy, quick meal. Want these potatoes to cook until they're tender. Then we chop them up a little bit. Add some water to it. Let them continue to cook. Put the lid on it. And add the fresh garlic, then the lid. Smelling scrumptious. Quick recipe, home fried potatoes. Onions and green peppers, fresh garlic. This is how the potatoes are looking now. We're going to put some of the garlic in there and let it cook. Potatoes are soft, I can start slicing them up a little bit. They're not all the way done. Smelling great. And we're going to cover these, add a little water so they can continue to cook and put the top on. I'll be back. Potatoes are looking now. I added some parsley and some water, and I'm going to cover them and let them continue to cook. While the potatoes are on, though, we're going to move on to our ham. And I'm going to cover them up. The ham is like a pre-cooked ham steak, so I'm going to slice it in half. I'm going to cut it into so I can fry it. I washed it off and give it a little season after it starts cooking in the pan. And we're going to check on our potatoes. See what they're doing. And here we are, fried potatoes. And let that continue to cook. I add a little water, more seasoning. And watch them. This is how potatoes are looking now. I'm letting them dry up some. I got the ham sliced, ready to go in the pan. And our cherry tomatoes, that's gonna be drizzled with the wine vinegar. Cut up, seasoned with salt, and ready to go. So this is how it's looking. Nice ham, fried ham steak, tomatoes that will be drizzled in vinaigrette, wine vinaigrette, and home fried tomatoes. What a lovely, lovely feast. Thank you for joining me. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bon appetit.